As we stand on the threshold of 2025, the dawn of a new year beckons with promises of transformation, renewal, and growth. It's not just about making resolutions or setting goals. This year, what if we embraced something far more profound? The power of synchronicity, the cosmic force that connects our inner worlds with the external universe, guiding us towards self-discovery and ultimate transformation. Synchronicity isn't just a vague, mystical concept. It's a profound, meaningful experience that can radically shift our perception of life. What if you could tap into the deepest currents of this cosmic energy? What if, in 2025, you chose to rebuild yourself in a way that is fully aligned with the greater forces at play in the universe? This is your invitation to step into the symphony of existence, to open yourself to the meaningful coincidences that the universe is sending your way. Imagine for a moment. You are not separate from the universe. You are intricately woven into the very fabric of existence. The universe isn't something out there, it's within you, and you are within it. Every thought you have, every decision you make, every person you meet, every song that plays on the radio at just the right moment is all part of a cosmic dance. Synchronicity is a glimpse into this dance. It's the invisible thread that connects everything, the heartbeat of the universe that resonates through your life. It's when seemingly random events come together to reveal something far greater than mere chance. Whether it's a chance encounter with a long-lost friend, a book falling off the shelf at just the moment you needed it, or hearing a song that speaks to the very core of your soul, these are the moments where the universe is speaking directly to you, offering clues to the next step in your journey. In 2025, open yourself to the possibility that these moments are not just coincidences, but messages, signposts guiding you on your path of transformation. Carl Jung, the Swiss psychiatrist and philosopher who introduced the concept of synchronicity, proposed that these meaningful coincidences aren't just chance occurrences. They are deeply tied to the unconscious mind, bridging the gap between the individual and the collective psyche. In his view, synchronicity is not a random or chaotic phenomenon, but a cosmic, intentional communication between your inner self and the external world. It's the universe itself communicating with you, an invitation to explore, grow, and realign with your true purpose. Jung described synchronicity as the coming together of two or more events in a way that feels significant, but with no clear cause and effect relationship. These events may seem coincidental, but they are, in fact, part of a grander design. He described them as a causal connecting principles, meaning they are linked by something beyond logic or reason. Think of it as the universe weaving together events, experiences, and people in ways that go beyond our understanding. When we view life through the lens of synchronicity, we begin to see patterns where others might see randomness. A song on the radio, a dream that feels too real to ignore, a chance meeting on the street. All of these events become part of the bigger picture of our lives. These are not isolated moments, but rather integral parts of the story that is unfolding in front of us. The key is to start paying attention, to listen to these signs, and to recognize that each moment holds a deeper meaning. By tuning into the cosmic rhythms, you allow yourself to align with the flow of life, becoming an active participant in your own transformation. Jung believed that synchronicity could also be a mirror of the unconscious mind, revealing deeper truths about who we are and what we need to learn. He argued that these meaningful coincidences aren't random. Rather, they are manifestations of an underlying order, a hidden logic to the universe that is beyond our limited understanding. This is where the potential for personal growth and transformation lies. By reflecting on these synchronicities, we gain insight into our desires, our fears, and the unconscious patterns that guide our lives. So how can you harness the power of synchronicity in 2025 to rebuild yourself and transform your life? The first step is simple. Become aware. Awareness is the gateway to unlocking the potential of synchronicity. When you pay close attention to the small, seemingly insignificant events in your life, you begin to notice patterns, repeating numbers, synchronistic encounters, the recurrence of certain symbols or themes. These are not random. They are messages from the universe, guiding you toward the life you were meant to live. In the fast-paced world we live in, It's easy to overlook these subtle signals. We're often too caught up in our daily routines, too focused on our immediate problems to see the bigger picture. But by slowing down, by becoming more mindful of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings, we begin to perceive the messages that have always been there. Take a moment each day to pause and reflect on what is happening around you. Ask yourself, what is the universe trying to tell me right now? What synchronicities am I experiencing? How can I use them to guide my decisions, actions, and growth? One of the most common ways synchronicity manifests is through numbers. If you've ever noticed repeating numbers in your life, whether on clocks, license plates, or addresses, you've experienced the power of numerology. Numbers are more than just mathematical symbols. They are carriers of deeper meaning and symbolism. For example, seeing the number 1111 may be a reminder to pay attention to your thoughts, as it's said to be a portal to higher consciousness. Repeatedly seeing the number 333 could be a sign of alignment, indicating that you are on the right path. Or perhaps you've noticed the number 444, which is often interpreted as a message of protection and encouragement from the universe, reminding you that you are supported. In 2025, tune into these numbers and allow them to serve as reminders that you are being guided toward your true purpose. The ancient Greeks, including the philosopher Pythagoras, believed that numbers held mystical significance. They saw numbers not only as a way to measure the physical world, but as keys to unlocking hidden truths. Pythagoras taught that the number 1 represented unity and the beginning of all things, while the number 10 represented completion and harmony. By studying the numbers that appear in your life, you can begin to unlock the messages the universe is sending you and gain deeper insight into your journey. In addition to being a signpost from the universe, synchronicity is closely tied to the concept of karma, the law of cause and effect. Karma tells us that every action we take has a ripple effect, influencing not only our lives but the lives of others. Just as karma is the cosmic law that connects all things, synchronicity is the way the universe communicates these connections to us. In 2025, it's time to realign with the law of karma and recognize that everything you do has meaning and consequences. Every choice you make, every thought you entertain, every action you take is interconnected with the larger web of the universe. When you live with awareness of this, when you align yourself with the flow of synchronicity, you become more attuned to the subtle workings of the universe and more in tune with your true purpose. Jung believed that synchronicity could act as a form of guidance, an inner compass that helps us navigate life's complexities. When we're faced with challenges or difficult decisions, synchronicity often appears to offer subtle clues about the best course of action. These clues may come in the form of dreams, unexpected encounters, or meaningful coincidences that provide clarity at just the right moment. In 2025, allow yourself to be guided by these synchronicities. Trust that the universe is showing you the way. As you step into 2025, remember that synchronicity is not just an occasional oddity. It is a powerful tool for personal transformation. By embracing the concept of synchronicity, you become an active participant in the cosmic flow of life. You begin to align yourself with the deeper rhythms of existence, transforming not just your circumstances, but your very self. To rebuild yourself this year, look at synchronicity as a tool for self-discovery. When you encounter a synchronicity, don't dismiss it. Instead, reflect on it. Ask yourself what it means for you and your journey. How does it connect with your inner desires, your hopes, or your challenges? In doing so, you create space for deeper understanding and personal growth. Every moment of synchronicity is a stepping stone toward your true self. It's a chance to realign with your soul's purpose and to live a life that is both purposeful and aligned with the greater universe. As you move through 2025, allow synchronicity to guide you on your journey of transformation. See it not as a series of random coincidences, but as the universe's way of speaking to you. In these moments, listen, reflect. Let them guide you to the deeper truths within yourself. By embracing synchronicity, You not only open yourself to the mysteries of the universe, but you also unlock the infinite potential within yourself. So, step into 2025 with open eyes, an open heart, and an open mind. The universe is ready to speak to you, and synchronicity is the language it will use.